My name is Daryl Andre, and I am a summer company mentor. So I look at this camera. I've been a mentor for, I think it's 5 years. It's been really cool to see just some of the success stories and really realize just how bright some of these young minds are. They're risk takers, they're doing something different. Instead of just sitting at home in the summer, they're actually running small businesses.
Hi, my name is Max Farmeyer. I'm Isaac Hendricks.
I'm Chance Mutuku, and I'm a summer company student. I am the founder of Blanc, which is a multidisciplinary design company. And we combine a wide variety of innovative ideas to create unique brand experiences. As a creative, I have my own particular design process that I've developed over the years. So my design process would start obviously with the ideation, right? If it's an independent project, the second part of that would be actually taking those ideas that we talked about and putting them onto paper or designing them on my iPad. And that eventually grows into the final product.
I'm William Flood. I run WFIT Consulting out of St. Catharines, Ontario. My company focuses on providing quality and professional IT services to small businesses in the area. So far, my experience has been fantastic. It allowed me to cover all of my startup costs.
My name is Caddy Gibson and I run Pines Grove Pyrography. So all of our items are made here in our workshop using repurposed wood before it goes out to other folks. So my favorite moment of the program, surprisingly, would actually be the mentor meetings. It's been a really great learning experience as well. And aside from learning about the business, you learn a lot about yourself. I quite enjoy being around other folks who are starting their businesses. I enjoy hearing their kind of experiences as well.
Last one, would you recommend the program to other people?
Yeah.
Other students?
I would definitely recommend the program to other students, definitely.